Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look at what's happening in week 3. Just a couple of reminders. We have the assignments this week are focused on the completion of the fiction paper and also the beginning of the poetry unit. So while you're finishing up your fiction paper by the end of this week, you'll also be participating on the poetry discussion board. As we know, things move very quickly in these short semesters. So, in the module this week, you will find under the learning materials, you will find information about how to not only complete the paper, but also how to get started thinking about your the poems. Okay. So there's a lot of videos I know, but there's two different lectures. One is about reading. The other is about conducting research on literature. And of course, you are going to be incorporating some sources into your fiction paper. So those are kind of aimed there. And then the two that are on poetry, of course, are aimed more at the new stuff that we're starting. So I would highly recommend finishing your fiction paper. If you have any questions about it, please let me know. Get that done as early as you can this week and then kind of switch your gears and go over into the poetry. There is a sample fiction paper that you can download. It is in Word format, so you can use that as a template for your paper. And I believe I owe you feedback. Let me stop sharing for a second. I cannot 100% remember what I have and haven't done this week. It's been a bit of a crazy week. So let me double check here and see. Yeah, I owe you the feedback on the preliminary bibliography. So I'm going to get that done first thing Wednesday. I know I won't have time because we're almost done with Tuesday, but I will get that done first thing Wednesday so that you will have those proper citations for the paper. Because, of course, what you need in the works cited page is going to also affect your in-text citations. So I will get those back to you tomorrow. Okay. So keep an eye out for those. And in the meantime, like I said, if you have any questions about that paper, do let me know. I'm happy to give you some additional help with it. All right. Hope everybody's having a good week and happy Halloween this week.